Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for George. Where are you at, George? In North Carolina on this President McKinley. George, we got the tuning alignment for you in this 4 to 6 pin adapter. Works for the Presidents and the Anytones. We've got this thing rocking and rolling. So we got the RF power all the way down right now. 25 watt slug. You're sitting a hair under 2 watts all the way down. Now if you set her an amp, you can. And we'll go here and try to turn this up. And there it is all the way up, 7 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 16 bird average. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. Audio. And 30 watts PEP. And we'll take and roll it back down. Right there. So let's say you're going from a 2 watt carry, you want to drive your amp. 50 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. Still doing right at 30 watts. All right, George, I'm going to get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.